Anyways, guys, it's me, Ilpa, and I am back again, and I'm gonna be trolling the first time in Girl Tag as a Roomba. If you guys see my shorts, I made a video about how to do a Roomba glitch, and I'm gonna be doing that glitch in different public servers. And yeah.
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
Hey guys, I'm your Roomba. I'm your friendly little Roomba guy.
Hi, Roomba.
Hey, Christmas. Christmas. You want to be in a Five Nights at Freddy's roleplay?
I am not Christmas, I am a Roomba. Now get out of my face.
Green. Do you want to be in a Five Nights at Freddy's roleplay, y'all two? Green, please. Okay, go to computer. You can go to computer. Go to computer.
Hi, Roomba. Behind you, Roomba.
Hi.
Hi.
My Roomba.
I'm another
How do you
Roomba.
do that?
How old are you? How old have you been
Roomba.
as a Roomba?
Roomba.
My Roomba ages have been for 27 years.
Roomba. Roomba. How
No.
do you get to be a Roomba? I've been trying to learn.
Come with me. You shall learn our ways. Guys, look at my name. Guys, look at my name. Look at my name. Look at my name.
I am a Roomba. I clean your floor.
Funny. Oh my gosh.
Oh. I'll throw up all my trash onto your face. What in the world?
What's that, fish?
Yeah. You afraid? You afraid to come out, big boy? You afraid to come out, big boy? Oh.
Hey guys, come look
Keep-
at my name. Guys,
What is
come
it?
Look at my name. Now.
Hold on.
Come look. I'm at mirror. I'm at mirror.
I'm coming. Hold on. Let me just.
Unpress it. No, you're a Roomba. You look good. Do you want to get edited? You look sexy.
Bro,
Yeah.
I'm a Roomba. My life is miserable.
What my life in the pieces. This is my life.
I'm stuck.
Right, listen.
Alright, guys. I have evolved. The Roomba has evolved. I feel the power. Now I need to get my sweeping brush. I now have a sweeping brush.
Oh no, it's not just. Listen, it's not just caverns, but it's very.
There we go. My brush. Gotta go clean up city.
Are you playing outside? It's fine. You're playing outside.
Trash tastes weird sometimes.
I'm not playing nothing. It's just downstairs.
Hey, I'm cleaning here. That's a fire hazard.
Stop. You put on the banana hat.
Bro.
What's the best yellow color code?
Hello. Hello. I am the girl.
991. Perfect.
991.
What?
Say what?
Oh, sorry. Hit my head. Sorry. Ready? Move your hands like this.
What do you do when you turn into I can't say 991. I thought 911 was the police, not 991.
Hey there.
Alright.
Hey.
Move your hands like this.
Hey!
I am devolving.
Dare steal my job. You're stealing my job.
I am your best friend. You're my
I am a mechanical robot. I do not have any friends.
Oh, Freddy found it. Okay.
Hey, look at this.
No, guys.
Exactly. Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
I am a Roomba, people.
And it will show if it's
This a mob?
good hammer.
America.
This is a currency.
Hey, I'm a Roomba.
No one even here.
I'm a Roomba. You're gonna kill me if you do that.
You're playing on a computer? Wait, can you hear me?
Goodness, why is the floor buggy?
Look at Red. Red, look at. That was playing on a computer.
No, he's in the ground. That's so funny.
Look how long my arms are.
No. Bro!
Oh.
No. Yo, what are you doing?
Alright, I have evolved. I now have a brush and I'm gonna go clean the floor.
But Roombas are only supposed to be heads.
Look how long my arms are.
I am Monkey D. Luffy.
Pepsi GT.
The ultimate Monkey D.
Look
Luffy.
how long my arms are. Pepsi D.
Rip off.
Not Pepsi D.
Yeah, I got the Okay.
Oh, shit.
Hey, get off of there. You're creating germs.
Creating germs.
Hey,
You're not.
you dare punch me? Wait.
Germs are everywhere and there always will be.
Come here, you Roomba. I'm gonna throw my tail on top of you.
Oh, wait, what? Hey.
Everyone is gonna find out. Everyone's gonna find out.
Oh, no, I'm running before the Roomba shoots me, bro. Oh my god. Run. What the? Bro, Roomba. Run. Roomba. Run. He's gone. We gotta just stay on the floor. The Roomba can't get you if you stay on the floor.
I'm glitching. Tell me. Oh, great. My battery's charging. You dare punch me? And guess what? This Roomba is American. Get it?
Hi, my name is Carmen Winston.
Hello, I'm your little friendly little Roomba little man. I clean up the floors in the shop. Please respect the Roomba.
You eat the dust or something?
Well, no doubt. I had to throw up.
No. Hey, light blue! Respect me!
Hey guys, look at me. I'm a little friendly Roomba.
How old are you?
I'm 27 years.
Here. I'm this many.
You're 3?
I'm 3. Yeah. I'm 3. No, please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
Bro, is it really a fake ghost?
Bro, I'm a Roomba, you idiot.
No, don't hurt me.
Bro, I'm a Roomba. Wait, hold on.
Stay back. Stay back. Wait.
Alright, I'm gonna clean the ground. Anybody, if you put any trash on the ground or attempt to beat me up, I'm going to transform into a demon. Or terrifying monster.
Bonk, 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 bonk.
Guys, don't mess with me because I'm the cat. You must respect me. Because I'm a cat, please don't hurt him. Don't hurt him. No, don't hurt me. No, bro. Don't hurt me. No, don't. Please, no. You scare me. No, you scare me.
L. Bonk, bonk, bonk.
No, stop it.
Oh my god. I don't mean to. Didn't mean to. God. I'm a Roomba. I'm not supposed to be scary. I just clean the ground.
Right, Roomba?
What'd I do?
Guilt feels bad.
Oh my god. It's supposed to be
hurt me.
Bro, I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm just a Roomba.
You were trying me.
I am not gonna do it. I'm not.
Oh, I almost got it.
Thank
There
you.
you go. Welcome. Where's the other guy with the purple bee? What the? Hey, what the hell? What the hell? There's an infestation! There's an infestation!
How did Doug get into a public lobby?